This video is sponsored by Aura. Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. This is going to be a very fun episode today because I'm going to be doing one of my favorite things associated with credit cards. No, it's not spend money. No, it's not accumulating points and miles. It's getting retention offers to help offset the annual fee of one of the higher annual fee cards I have. That is the American Express Business Platinum Card, all right? And if you've never heard of a retention offer before, I'm gonna explain what that is, why I really wanna keep the card in the end. I'm gonna let you listen into my phone call to get a retention offer, and then we're gonna talk about the results after that's over with. So we're gonna cover everything from A to Z today. Before we get started, if you do find this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and keep in mind, if you are interested in pursuing the American Express Business Platinum Card, or any card for that matter, make sure you use the referral link down in the description below. Use that referral link when you apply because that greatly helps support the channel. I can't thank you all enough for doing that. It is extremely helpful. Your support has been amazing. So let's break this down first. What exactly is a retention offer, Brandon? I've never heard of this before. It's pretty simple. A retention offer is what a bank or card issuer gives you to incentivize you to pay the annual fee again and keep that card in your wallet. In this case, my annual fee just hit my statement a few weeks ago, and I want to make a decision on this card. Do I want to cancel it? Do I want to product change it? Or do I want to keep the card? That's the decision I need to make before I pay this annual fee. So each year, when my cards come due, I wait until the annual fee hits, and then I call to get retention offers. My hope is that they'll give me some sort of statement credit to offset the annual fee. Maybe they'll give me some membership rewards points to help offset the cost as well. I don't know, but we're gonna see what they offer, and I have no clue what they're gonna do here, all right? You're gonna get the results of this, whether it's good, bad, or indifferent. You're gonna hear the end result of this. When I call, they may look at me and say, you know what, Brandon, you haven't really spent a lot on this card in the last year. We really don't wanna incentivize you to keep it because you're not using it. And you know what? They would be correct because a lot of my spend came on the front end to earn a sign-up offer of 150,000 membership rewards. So that very well could happen. If you're not spending a lot of money on the card issuer or bank is not as incentivized to give you something to keep it because they're not getting the swipe or transaction fees on that. The reason I want to keep this card, well, it actually has a lot of benefits outside of swiping it in a store every day, which I don't really do. But some of those benefits include a $200 airline fee credit. There's $400 worth of credit at Dell.com. And if you've not looked on there, Dell.com is fantastic for Christmas and birthday shopping. You get $200 each 6 months of the year. So the first half of the year you get $200, the next half of the year you get $200 additional dollars. So for me, that's Christmas shopping money right there. You also get your $189 clear credit as well, and you get the 35% airline bonus along with a $120 wireless credit, meaning that each month I get $10 off my cell phone bill by using this card. So there are a lot of reasons to keep this card. I think we just get into this and see what kind of offer is out there. Before I make the phone call, I do want to thank today's sponsor, Aura. Now, Aura is an awesome service that helps protect you when you're browsing online. We do everything online. We shop online, we watch YouTube online, and Aura helps make that experience a lot safer by keeping you safe from scammers, hackers, and spammers. Aura continuously monitors the dark web looking for information like your name, email address, social security number to see if it's leaked online. And the first time I ran this, it freaked me out. My name, social security number, email address popped up 11 times immediately across different websites, and you can actually see which websites have leaked your information. One of my favorite things that Aura does right now that I didn't even know they did when I signed up for the service myself was they automatically send requests on your behalf to data brokers. And if you don't know what data brokers are, those are the people that have your data, they sell it to marketing services, and your information's out there everywhere and you get a flood of emails and phone calls and all that. They actively send requests out to these data brokers to remove your information, helping to reduce the amount of spam and robocalls. Aura also gives you near real-time alerts on suspicious credit inquiries. So if someone was trying to open up a loan or a credit card in your name, it's going to pop up, you're going to get alerted. And identity theft is no fun. I've been a victim of identity theft. It is awful. You don't want to go through it. So if you're looking for a service that monitors your information on the dark web, it's got a VPN to protect you while you're searching online, it monitors your credit and protects your identity. It's basically like a Swiss Army knife to protect you and your information. So if that sounds of interest to you, make sure you go to aura.com/Boyd and make sure that your family is protected and safe and that your identity is not stolen. Trust me, it is no fun. And if you use the link down in the description below, Aura will give you 2 free weeks of the service so you can try it out and see if it's something that fits your needs. If it's not, don't use it anymore. But if you like it, go ahead and keep the service. It's been awesome for me. I've been very happy with it. So again, aura.com/Boyd. The link will be down in the description below. And let me know if you sign up and how many times you found your information on the dark web. It may scare you. All right, so I'm going to make the phone call here. I'm going to look at the number on the back of the card because this is probably what you would do, okay? You would probably look at the number on the back of the card to see if you could get a retention offer, and that's what we're going to do. Now, could I have certainly used the chat feature in the American Express app? Yes, but I don't really like that. I like the live interaction, so I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I'm on mute on hold. I'm actually planning on keeping this card anyway. It's a great value for all the reasons I just mentioned. It easily offsets the annual fee. I get between $800 and $900 in value in the credits and incentives, which way offsets the annual fee. So for me, this is a money maker card, but if I can get something to help offset the annual fee, I'm gonna ask for it. Don't feel bad asking for these retention offers. Go for it, see what you can get. I'm gonna wait on hold here. I'm not gonna make you listen to this piano music in the background, so hang tight.
All right, hello, Mr. Boyd. How are you today?
I am wonderful, how are you?
Oh, man, that's beautiful to hear. I'm doing great. Thank you, I am doing great. All right, so bear with me just a minute. I'm still looking at your Business Platinum card. And I see that we are upon the first year of membership, so we want to thank you so much for that. And I show that the membership fee that was assessed to your account was for the $595. And Shardika was advising me today that you're just seeking to see if there's anything we can do to bring more value to your card today.
Yeah, right now I've made a major shift over the last few years to American Express and have added several cards and have been pretty loyal and, spent a lot on American Express cards in general, and I'm trying to juggle all these cards and the annual fees, and I find value in a lot of them, particularly with the business cards especially. They've been very helpful. But my question was, in order to help juggle these, I've also got to look at, okay, what's reasonable for my annual fee spend every year between all these cards? And it got me thinking, do I want to keep all of them? This being one of the higher annual fee cards, it just gets your wheels turning, like, do I need to keep this particular card? So that's why I was reaching out today, just to see if there were any retention offers available for this card in order to help offset a little bit of the annual fee and make it a little easier to justify keeping it in my wallet.
Oh, I totally understand that. We got to say where we can. So normally the Business Platinum is $695, and yours came in at $595. What I could do to bring more value to this card, to bring it down even lower, is I can apply a loyalty credit on your account of $100 on the account, if that will bring more value to you in the business. And then your benefit stays the same, so any other type of credits you can take advantage of, you definitely have access to them. But I can add a loyalty credit of $100 today.
Yeah, I don't know that moves the needle a whole lot for me. Is there anything? I'm just asking. I'm not playing hardball or anything. I'm just asking, is there anything else that doesn't really move the needle a whole lot for me? To be frank with you.
I was trying to figure this out. No, you're fine. No, you're fine. It was showing on this, because we're just speaking about this account specifically. So
yes,
when I look at your profile, it doesn't show any other cards under this profile. But then it shows another card that it was applied $350 on, which wasn't making sense because it didn't have access to that account.
Yeah, I have two Business Platinum cards right now.
Okay. I don't know why they even. Okay, so you do have two business. I don't know why they're not linked.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. I know the one had some sort of an incentive with it, and I've got multiple Amex Business Golds and Business Platinum cards, for different uses, and that's why I'm trying to juggle here. The $100, I really appreciate the $100 offer. It's not nearly what I was expecting compared to the other one that I got that you show there. So that's more of what I was looking for. Again, just to help out to juggle all these, because I could find some use for all of them, but the annual fees are stacking up on me just a tad. But I really like the cards and want to continue the spend on those.
That I totally understand. We need to say where we can, but on this one, that's all I have to extend. But I see, you have a whole lot of cards with us, so we thank you for that. And the membership fees does compound, but on this specific card, I have a loyalty. That's the loyalty credit I have to provide on that one.
Is there anything like a combination with points or anything like that? I'm just asking. It never hurts to ask. I mean, do you have anything that's
it never hurts to ask. No, I want to help you as much as I can. Unfortunately, that really on this account, that's all it really has is a loyalty credit of $100 on that one.
Okay. And then just to clarify too, I know you said it renewed at the $595. What's the reasoning for that? Because I know the annual fee right now is $695.
When you apply for the card, it was going to give you $595 the first year, $595 the second year, because when you apply for it.
Okay.
You really applied for it in a sweet spot, to be honest. You right in that window to get that $595 for 2 years, because even the 10-year card members don't get that. But that's the reasoning. That's the reason why.
Okay. No, that makes sense. I just wanted to double check on that and clarify and have somebody verbalize that for me. So that makes sense.
All right.
Is there any spend associated with that credit?
Oh, sorry. What was that question?
Are there any spend requirements associated with that $100 offer?
No, not at all.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, if it's okay. I mean, it's not what I necessarily was looking for, but I'll go ahead and accept that if you have that available.
All right. So no worries at all. I was happy to help you apply that loyalty credit to your account, and also I've noted your account of our conversation. How else may I help you in the business today?
I think that should be it. I really appreciate your help, and I think that's all I needed for today.
All right. Fantastic. Well, you enjoy the rest of your day, and have a good rest of the week as well, too.
Yep, you too. Thanks so much.
All right. You're more than welcome.
All right, bye.
Goodbye, sir.
All right, now was that a knock it out of the park situation where you just get something that totally offsets the annual fee? No, it wasn't, but it's kind of what I expected a little bit as well. Like I said, I did a lot initially with the card to meet the sign-up offer and get 150,000 membership rewards, but in all honesty, I haven't used the card as much when it comes to swipes at a store or something like that. I've taken advantage of the credits, certainly, but when it comes to using it often, I haven't really used it. So I was happy that they offered me anything. I was actually worried that they wouldn't offer anything whatsoever if they looked at my account and saw that I hadn't spent as much over the course of the year. So I'll take that right now, that on top of the fact that my annual fee renewed at $595. And I hope you heard them verbalize why they did that. That's why I asked that question, because I wanted you to hear exactly why that happened when I popped that up on the screen and you understood exactly what's going on. But hey, look, when your annual fee hits, before you pay it, call or chat with customer service and ask for a retention offer. Don't feel bad about it, because anything that you can do to help offset the annual fee is a good thing. I just made $100 in the course of 5 or 10 minutes worth of work. That's a pretty good deal. You could do the same thing. And like the representative said himself, every dollar counts, right? You want to make every dollar count, especially when you have multiple cards open. So let me know what you think about this retention offer. What kind of retention offers have you gotten with the Business Platinum card? Especially if you do a lot of spend on the card, my guess is you'll probably have an even better retention offer. So let me know about yours down in the comments below. Keeping in mind, we have a lot of new people in Points and Miles that are watching this channel and want to learn as much as they can about accumulating points and rewards. So any tips or tricks that you have, leave those in the comments, because I guarantee that will help somebody out. And keep in mind, if you are in the market for the Business Platinum card, or any card for that matter, click on the referral link down in the description below. I cannot tell you how much that helps support our channel, and you guys are rocking the heck out of it right now. Use that referral link when you're applying, and you'll see the latest offers down there as well. I really appreciate everyone's support so far, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts on this retention offer call. If you found this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, you're going to get the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, finance, retention offers, and everything in between. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. We'll see you soon.